Hello, dear team members. This is Nezaket again, and I will try to explain what I'm doing in our online course design section. As you can see here, this is our part, and as I said, I also explained this before. The plan is in topic 0. In topic 1, we have some abstract and how can you use Moodle MOOC resources. There is our course syllabus is there, and then there's some interaction. We expect the participants to write after going through the objectives. We expect them to write about the reasons why they think this is an appropriate course for them. So for this, they need to do a short task, which shows that they have read the course requirements and they are ready to continue. And there's a poster we prepared before, and although it's not the final version, I edited it here. And here you see our course designers, and you can see that we are focusing on some web tools as well as Moodle activities and resources. There's a glossary section as well. Okay, so here what I'd like to show you is to focus on one topic area and to show you how we can add things. So here I added one label from here just by clicking on add an activity and resource, and label was here down in resources part. I clicked on this, and then I added the purpose of this topic. Later I want to add another activity, and here let me choose what I want to add. It would be nice to have the topic, but here first of all I want to introduce, for example, let's choose book, and let's see if we can manage it. Okay. Here the name is useful platforms and tools for the course. And you know that we've been using quite a lot, Padlet a lot. So this is something our participants need to learn as well. We created a screencast before, and if you remember, I edited it here. Here I cannot put the link directly, so I need to say, please check the following Padlet and do the tasks there. So here we can only put the link. So what I will do is I will attach the link here. And what happens when I say insert, it will come. In order to see it, I need to save and return to course. So in order to have an interactive course, I want to do something. This is a book format, and it gives us the chance to have different chapters. So let me check if I can add some chapters to this. And I want this description to come on the first page. That's there. And appearance, what do I want to have? Numbers and images. So they seem to be good. But custom titles, I need to show this. Let's look at availability, show on course page. Yes. And I don't want to do any other things right now. There is no need for activity completion. Only maybe when we start the course, we can work on that. And text, again, I don't feel that's really necessary because it's not an open course. Let's save and return to course to see if it will allow us to have some chapters. Okay, so the Padlet tutorial came here. We can see it. Okay, but what I wanted was to have some chapters. So this book format is a little bit interesting. And if you remember, this was used to move the resource. So, but it is in the right place right now. What I need to do is, I need to find how to add resources. Chapters. I'm still not an expert in this. We are still trying, so we need to see how to see it. Maybe common modules, it must be there. Show on course page. Yeah, show on course page. Let's look at appearance again. Let's get rid of this custom titles. Save and return. Okay. Still, I don't see how to add the other chapters. Okay. So. Course administration, was it here? Anyway, why don't you try yourself? I'm sorry, I don't want to take a lot of time, but whenever you want to add something, just remember, you click on add an activity, and then you choose the interaction type, the activity type from here, and then you edit. It can be a page, a poster, whatever you want. And then you can try different things, and yeah, when you add them, you will see that it will be like this. The tasks will appear here. Thank you for listening.